What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Lids and Kicks. It's your man Osoro.jpg, and for today's video I will be covering how to lace Air Jordan Retro 1s. Yes sir. Like I said, welcome back to the channel and thank you guys for tuning in today. Today's video, like I said earlier, will be about how to lace the Air Jordan 1. A while back I actually got a comment. I recall like a viewer or subscriber a long time ago requested me to do a video about how to lace Air Jordan 3s, but I never really got around to it, and at the moment I don't have any 3s in my rotation at the moment, so I have a lot of 1s. Also because the Jordan 1 silhouette is a lot more popular, a lot more like trendy right about now. So with that being said, that's why I decided to do a video about how to lace Air Jordan 1s. Alright, so let's get into it. So first things first, this right here is the band Retro Air Jordan 1, you know, based off of, you know, Michael Jordan's band sneaker from the 1984-1985 rookie NBA season. Alright, so with that being said, the first decision you gotta make when you decide how you want to lace your Air Jordan 1s, and in particular in this case the Bred one, is what laces you want to use. You can either choose black or red laces. In the case of the red laces for the Bred one, a lot of people like the red laces just because it's more true to the original, because back in 84-85 Jordan did wear the red laces most often with the Bred one, and he also wore the red laces in the slam dunk contest. Yeah, so the red laces were used most often. And also if you run into like a collector or someone with like an old pair of ones from 85 or 94, they're gonna use the red laces more often with that. So if you're going for like an older, more throwback look, more true like OG vintage look, the red laces are the way to go. Yeah, the black laces are a lot more sleek, a lot more fashionable, and it's like more modern. It has like a more modern look, and it really brings out the leather and like the sleekness of the shoe overall. So when lacing your Bred ones, you got to decide if you want to use the black laces or the red laces. But for me in particular, I choose the black laces just because they're more fashionable. So when lacing my Jordan ones, I always lace this first curl over the top, not going underneath. Make sure this first lace curls over it. Alright, so after you decide whether you want to use the red laces or the black laces, then you got to decide what kind of feel you're going for overall. You can go with like a tight, fully laced look. You can go with a chill and a relaxed look. And then like another one is just kind of like an in-between. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys all three styles for each set of laces. Alright, so the first approach about how to lace these Air Jordan 1s is the athletic style, which is what I call them. Yeah, so when MJ was a rookie, he used to tie his shoe laces really tight together, just so, you know, when he's out there running and jumping, playing basketball, the shoe doesn't move too much, so he won't like roll an ankle or hurt his knee or anything like that. So the athletic style, that's the first approach I have here today. I don't personally do this too much, but it's something I might try in the future just to see how it looks. Yeah, so I guarantee if you look at any MJ rookie highlight, any commercial from back then, any like poster or retro card, you're gonna see his laces tied really tight like this. So this is the first approach to how to lace Air Jordan 1s. Here's some B-roll so you guys can see what it looks like with shorts and with pants. Yeah, so that was some B-roll with both laces and with shorts and with pants. So it's just important to notice. So when deciding how you want to lace these, just keep in mind whether you're wearing pants, shorts, skinny jeans, and what type of fit it is. So that's gonna all bring it together. So then right here we have the hybrid style of lacing the Jordan 1s. That's what I call them, like, because it's not too loose, not too tight. You could use this for, you know, riding your scooter, riding your bike, and also for an outfit too. It's like not too extreme in either direction. Because like the athletic style, you had those real close together, and you could like actually like maybe play some basketball in those, do something athletic in them. But these I see more often when I'm out and about because it's like a good mix of both. And also keep in mind your sizing when choosing what style to lace them with. So basically with this hybrid style, you just tie them with the third to last hole from the top. So this hole, like the hole next to your ankle, that's where you would tie it in at. All right, so now that we know how to tie them with the hybrid style, let's take a look at some on-feet B-roll just so y'all can see how these look on feet. Alright, so for the last, but certainly not least, we have the modern style. So with the modern approach, we really just have the laces real loose. You know, you're rocking them with like some skinny jeans, probably. Alright, so last but certainly not least, my favorite style to lace my Jordan 1s is the modern style. And the modern style basically is just, you know, that laid back, loose approach to lacing your Jordan 1s. You know, you have it at the second to last hole, just so the end of the shoestrings are just hanging out the sides. That's my favorite style. If you're just like walking to class, walking through the park, you're on a date, you at the mall, you could just throw on some jeans and then throw on some jeans and then rock them like this, real loose, real laid back, very fashionable. This is like the most modern, like the newest style that people do. Yeah, back in the 80s and 90s, you probably would have never seen people rock them like this, but this is like a more modern, updated like look to the Jordan 1. It's fashionable, it's sleek, it's fire, you know, it's my favorite. And this is definitely the most comfortable approach for me personally. Yeah, like I said earlier, just keep the laces pretty loose and make sure you have it like equally loose throughout the entire set of laces. You know, you don't want to, I messed up actually. You see, this is a little too loose, but make sure it's uniformly loose throughout the entire lace. And then you just have it dangling out the side. You know, when you put your foot in, it's just hanging out the side. Yeah, so you just want the end of the shoelace tip just to be hanging out the sides, man. That's my favorite. So this is the modern lacing style to the Jordan 1. Let's check out some B-roll and on feet for this too. Alright, so that's about it for this video. Just to recap, we have the athletic style. That's for, you know what I'm saying, if you want to have like an OG retro vintage throwback kind of look like MJ from 84, 85. You could also use that style for playing basketball or doing something athletic. Second, we have the hybrid, which is, you know, it's not too loose, not too tight. You can do things like riding a scooter, riding your bike, and it's also fashionable too, so it's the best of both worlds. And then we have the modern style. You know, you go to Zara, go to minimal.com, get you some nice little skinny jeans, rock them with this, make it look real fashionable. Yeah, so those are my 3 tips about how to lace Air Jordan 1s. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Sorrow.jpg. Lids and kicks, more videos are on the way. I appreciate all the support. More videos on the way. Peace.